In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off comments on Facebook posts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap at your profile picture to open up your profile page, and then just scroll down until you find a post for which you want to turn off comments, and then just tap at three dots and select who can comment on this post. Now it is set to public, so anyone are able to comment on this post, and right from here you can limit it to friends and established followers, friends, or just profiles and pages you mention. Just like that. Then just hit add done, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.